Who said a wig isn't professional? Can y'all see the vision? Looks really good. For those of you who wear glasses, if you are wearing your wig and you want to keep it sleek and professional at work, let me show you a couple hairstyles. Today's style is a silky straight style. It is in a 20-inch. As you can see straight out the box, you don't need to cut the lace. You don't need to bleach the knots. Everything looks very good straight out the box. You can also wear this wig with just the adjustable strap in the back, or you can use the drawstring. I love the drawstring wig because it's very convenient. It tightens the wig, and all you will have to do is tighten it, add some tape if you want to. This is 130% density, and this is a 13x6 lace front wig. The great thing about this wig, you can just slide it on straight out the box. And the one thing I do love about convenient wigs is that if you are busy and you want to get out the door, you don't want to spend too much time on your hair, you can get the convenience of a straight style and easily style it for work. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the drawstring. I'm going to tuck that comb. I'm just going to use the drawstring today. I'm just going to pull it down the sides. If you need to, you can cut it a little bit around the ear. I'm going to press the tape right here at the side. Then I'm going to remove the white paper and just press it so that it can lay super flat like this. Love about the 130 density, perfect for your everyday wear. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of hairstyles you can wear to work, how easy the hair flows. I'm just gonna press that down, and then you can just take like an edge band and tie it down. This is gonna help secure the sides so they won't be flapping. A little bit of melting spray around the hairline just to lay down any pieces of lace that may be lifted. Tie it down again, let that dry completely. Pretty sure you all can agree you don't want to take too much time getting out the house, so I would recommend already having your wig pre-styled. Have your wig already installed. It's a straight style, and normally you can just get away, doing the straight style if you want to, but if you want to just add a little razzle dazzle to your hair, I would recommend just curling it the day before and then rolling the hair at night. And then we're going to add just some loose curls. I'm not doing nothing fancy. I'm just adding some curls throughout the hair, just so that when I go to style it, it just makes sense to just work together. I think, and I said this already, the 130 density is perfect for the everyday person. I know a lot of you always want hair that is extremely thick. In reality, are not like a model, or if you want your wig to look very, very natural, I highly recommend going with styles that are at a lower density because it's going to look the most natural. As you can see, when I took this wig out the box, instantly it looks really, really good. Now with straight styles, you do want to use some type of hairspray when curling them because the curls are not going to hold completely. That's why I also recommend putting a roller in your hair at nights just to preserve, or flexi rod or something like that to preserve the curls. And as you can see, I'm taking big sections, nothing fancy. I'm just taking big sections and just curling the ends mostly. This wig will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, and also while you're down there, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and like the video. Want to share a like. All right, so this is what I did. Just some simple curls. You want to make sure to spray it, okay? Something that's not going to be crunchy and hard.
Hairstyle number 1, sleek ponytail.
So in order to get that ponytail super sleek, you want to make sure that you flatten down the root of the hair very well. You can also add some hair mousse, add a little bit of hair mousse to the hair. It'll also help tame those flyaways. You want to make sure it's nice and clean around the hairline. You don't want any strands of hair to be as clean as possible. A low ponytail, so I'm just going to pull it, and want to keep adding that hair mousse if you need to, just to make sure that the flyaways are down, because you want this to be nice and clean. Smooth it with a brush. I'm going to take a hair bow and secure it. I'm going to curl this area. Then I like to use a little bit of melting spray and just smooth it down so it can lay flat. Get any strands of hair. Simple, clean look. You don't have to add any baby hairs, especially if you are in a professional setting. Clean girl, smooth look. Everything is laying very smooth, and just like that, you have a nice sleek ponytail for work that just gives that clean girl aesthetic. So this is what it looks like. Bring it to the front if you want to. As you can see, them curls, girl, gone. But I used a bigger barrel, so you may want to use something smaller, a little curling wand. So you just want to make sure it's clean, lay nice and flat. So that's what the back look like. So that's hairstyle number 1.
Hairstyle number 2, sleek bun.
Let's do a second hairstyle. So this one right here is going to be super cute. I love the half up, half down style. So I'm just going to part away front half of the hair, pull it to the front, and we're just going to leave the back. And I'm going to get rid of the parting this time. Normally I don't, but we're going to go ahead and just get rid of that parting. I'm going to smooth the hair this way. Smooth the hair where you need it to go. Now the hairspray, I will pop it out to you. I will link it right here. But I like it because I can spray as much as I want and the hair never gets super crunchy or hard, but it does hold the shape that I'm going for. Let me just pull some of this hair down. You don't have to worry about the tape coming up unless you pull it too hard, but you don't really need to be rough. And even though the curls are loose now, there's still a little bit of curl in the hair, so it's helpful to getting a really cute style. Okay, I'm gonna make sure this is smooth down in the back. Straighten up any areas here. Smooth this. Just a nice loose twist down the hair. Gonna take it, wrap it, take a bobby pin and pin as I go. Now I actually prefer using hairpins. Bobby pins to me just don't be holding like I wanted to, but right now all I have are some bobby pins, so I'm just going to use what I got. And you can leave it a little messy if you want to. Can y'all see the vision? See? This looks so good. Like you can see that this is a nice top bun, half up, half down. It's not too much hair, it's doing just enough. So if you want to wear this style to work, it's easy styled. Looks really good. That lace is wear. And for those of you who wear glasses, because I get this all the time, as you can see where the glasses are sitting, not interrupting the lace, is not going underneath the lace, it's going around the ear perfectly, and that's because the lace is falling where I need it to fall. So yes, it works for people who wear glasses to work too.
Hairstyle number 3, sleek pullback.
All right, so the next style that you can do, you can kind of keep this as is, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower it down. And then I'm going to push it up like this. Okay, do y'all remember this? I remember this style. I used to wear it a lot when it was popular. You don't have to use a lot of holding sprays like back in the day. You can just keep it simple. Put some bobby pins in there. Maybe a cute clip. I wish I had a really cute clip. Look at that. You can clean it up a little bit. I went on and added a clip because I didn't want to use this big clip, but that's all I have. But as you can see, it still looks good. Just make sure it's not crooked. So all I did was clip it and then push it up, and there you have another style. Super simple. You can even bring it to the side if you want to. And then of course the last style would be just wearing it down. The typical middle part. You can do a side part if you want to. It's up to you. And like I said, giving it a little bends at the ends help. Just give it a little bit more style rather than just wearing it. And you can see how much hair mousse and spray I didn't use, and the hair still is performing very well. It's not like tough. It got a nice little shine going to it. It's not crunchy. So it just depends on the products you use sometimes on how the hair performs. Yep, and we're back. I'll be sure to put this wig below in the description box down there. Be sure to check it out if you are interested in a wig that you can wear every day and it still looks very natural. The hairline, all of that is just phenomenal on this. I can't even see that lace. That lace is nowhere to be found in real life, okay? Be sure to check the description box, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you back in my next video.